ended up coming up to about $1. It's about $1.74. All right, we had this box up here, so we ended up hitting that. If you go back to the last video, these are the targets we put up here. We have hit them and started a pullback here. Now, and we're going to take a look at some the next target area here that we should be heading to. First off, I want to come over here and show you the crypto bubbles. All right, we do have a few things out there popping today. Richard Hart coins, Pulse, and Hex. Got Wormhole there, CFX. We look at the last hour though. We got some stuff really starting to turn around here. Looks like Bitcoin maybe is starting to bounce here. Okay, on the daily, we're right at a 702 fib level. We do have the, if we look at the RSIs, sorry about that, that's my microwave there. My food is done. I am starving. 3.8 and a 4.9 on the 12, just about reset here. We do have some bullish divergence here. Now, if you come in on the 1 hour, you got this low. You can see that 1 hour starting to pop here too, really on price. Hit that 702 and the 1 hour starting to turn to the upside here. So we put in a couple longs over there in Discord, Casper and Caspa. You see the 4 hour bullish divergence here. Got this low, just a tad lower on price at this, and a higher low on the RSI. So looking for a bounce here out of Bitcoin. But now, if you want to join us in Discord, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. It's to support the channel. It's $14.99. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting, and then you get a link to the Discord to come over and to trade with us over there. All right. We don't really have an open one over there. It's for members. So it works out pretty well. We've had some pretty good trades. Pepe there, one of the members did, I think, a 13 or 14x on that one. That entry on that. We're trying to get back in on that one, man. I think it's got a lot bigger move to go. But we jumped into Casper and Caspa today and looking for a re-entry on that Pepe. Pepe, I think, broke out of a daily wedge. So we'll see what happens with that, but looking to re-enter that one. Over here, if you take the Fibonacci, this thing is right back at a 702 also. So it's right there playing with Bitcoin, basically, and Bitcoin runs the market, let's face it. Bitcoin bounces, everything bounces. So on the daily, the RSI still coming down here for Fetch. All right, the 12 hour getting pretty close to reset. If you come in on the 4, we have a green 4 hour candle started. So we'll see if this holds here. If we come out on a weekly, it could technically pull down a little bit more here. If down to roughly $1.36, that's a weekly support. You have a close here, right where it's up at, and now there is another weekly one right up there at $1.40. All right, so maybe the low is in. Could be in. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. But now, the next targets I would be looking for if Fetch heads to the upside and if this bottom is in. All right. Let's see here. We would go because this thing has I believe, a lot bigger move to come here yet. All right. This falling wedge broke out, and this is all the more we got out of it so far. If you take a measurement of the inside of the wedge, that's how you get your target. This is conservative, right? Put it on a breakout. It takes you up into a 618 or 702 retracement. That's where the 241 to 264 is at. All right, the next targets. If this is bottom, then we start to the upside. The next target I would be watching for, and we'll leave it on here, is up towards $1.96. Okay, that's the 1618. I would expect it to start working its way up that way next. You could have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this could be a fifth wave coming in right here. Let's go on a daily once here and take a look at that. You would have 5 waves inside of that. 1, 2, 3. This is back testing the top of 1. Yeah, probably exactly what's going on here. Right here. There you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 up to $1.96. You know, that's what I'm looking for right there. It broke out of resistance. It's back testing this form of resistance as support. I'd be watching for a move up here next up to this level. First off, we did hit this one here. Okay, I do want to point that out. So let's move this next target up here towards $1.96, and then I'm sure you know, right up in this zone up in here. I put a zone like this because you know, sometimes these don't make full extensions up here, so I would say anywhere from $1.87 to $1.96 here is the next target. You know, as long as this lows in and it starts to the upside. This isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, right? But if this comes down, you definitely want to see that $1.30, $1.37 hold. And if it pushes down anymore, and bounce from there and get going. Thanks a lot, guys. Please come over and sign up for that level 3 membership. Would love to have you over in Discord trading with us. Have a great day, everybody. Please hit the like and subscribe.